Good evening, everybody. This is Phil Griesby with the National Weather Service in New Orleans, and here's the weekly weather outlook for the upcoming week. So the quick overview, we're actually not expecting much in the way of weather. It's going to be clear and dry. We're going to have high pressure over us through the weekend, and temperatures will generally be near average through the weekend, near to slightly below average early on, and then closer to average towards the end of the week. And although the tropics remain fairly active, there are no concerns for the northern Gulf Coast throughout the week. So we'll dive right in here. Here's the 7-day forecast for the New Orleans and Baton Rouge areas. You can see that in New Orleans, temperatures are generally going to be in the low 50s at night, and highs will be in the upper 60s to near 70 through the middle of the week. Then we'll begin to see a bit of a warm up towards the latter part of the week, with lows rising into the lower 60s and highs warming into the lower 70s. Kind of a similar pattern for Baton Rouge, although a bit cooler. Lows will be in the middle 40s through Wednesday with highs near 70. And then as we get into the latter part of the week, lows should rise into the middle 50s and highs should warm into the middle 70s. So now we'll jump over to Gulfport and Macomb. In Macomb, obviously they're going to be our cold spot. So we're expecting lows through Wednesday to be in the lower 40s and highs will be in the upper 60s. And then we'll begin to see the warm up as we get into the latter part of the week, with lows rising into the lower 50s and highs rising into the lower 70s. And in Gulfport, similar trend as all the other places, with lows in the upper 40s through Wednesday and highs in the upper 60s. And then Thursday through Saturday, we'll see temperatures rise into the lower 70s during the day and fall into the middle 50s at night. We're not really expecting anything in the way of precipitation, so it's going to be sunny to mostly clear through the period. It may be a little bit breezy tonight in Gulfport as well as in New Orleans as we have some of this colder air move in. So expect some wind gusts up to around 25 miles per hour at times in those areas. So that's the way it looks for the 7-day outlook. Here's the tropical weather outlook over the next 5 days. You can see we have Hurricane Iota that's moving through the Western Caribbean right now, and it's expected to make landfall in Central America and continue to push west, and will have no impacts to the northern Gulf Coast. And in the same general area as Iota, we're seeing a tropical wave that could potentially develop over the next 5 days, but right now it's a very low chance of development, and a given pattern does not support it moving into the Gulf, so there's no impacts to the northern Gulf Coast expected. So the quick summary, clear and dry weather through the weekend. Temperatures will be near to slightly below average through the weekend, and the tropics remain active, but there's no concerns for us. So it's a great week to enjoy it, this fall-like weather for us, and get out, take some walks, enjoy the beautiful weather while it's here. Everybody have a good week.